Today I'm doing my birthday unboxing, so let's go! Hi guys, and welcome back here on this YouTube channel. I'm very excited to have you here, and today we have an unboxing and I'm gonna show you and explain what I got for my birthday this year. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm not 27 years old anymore, I'm 28 today. This video released on the 9th of May. I'm 28 years old today. I'm filming this video a few weeks ago because as for the 9th of May, I will be in New York. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will have the chance to see the trip. So we will be in New York from 4th of May until 14th of May. And yes, I'm very excited because it's gonna be like third time I go to New York, but for my boyfriend, it's gonna be first time for him. So I'm so freaking excited to show him around. And I'm sure like lots of things have changed because the last time I was in New York was in 2018. So it's like years ago. COVID happened. And so I'm sure like lots of things have changed. There's like new towers, new restaurants, new lots of stuff. So I'm really excited. By the way, I'll be in New York, so if you have any recommendation restaurant, shop, second-hand store, luxury store, things to do, things to see, do not hesitate to tell me. I'd be very happy to have your own recommendation of New York, especially if you are American or if you are from another country but you already traveled to New York and you have like a very good recommendation. I'd be very happy to read you guys. I'm all for recommendation. I only work with this, so please comment this video with recommendation. I'd be super happy. And it will make my day. Anyway, so today I turned 28. So it's weird actually, but one of my gifts, my presents was also the trip to New York from my family and my boyfriend. So I'm actually so excited because this is such a trip I wanted to do again with him. It's different because first time I was with friends, second time I went to school in New York. So it's very different. I went to Baruch College for people who will ask me. It's near Flatiron building, sorry. And then this time I go with my boyfriend. So we will do all the romantic stuff, for example, the Central Park little boats. And I will for sure make like probably 2 vlogs, one for sure, but maybe 2 of the trip. So I'm very excited. I hope you will enjoy. And yeah, so this is the biggest gift I had, New York. So I love it. I don't know if you like New York or not. Just let me know in the comment too. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like the video. I'd be super happy to welcome you here. I talk mostly about luxury, obviously, and I have my own business, BAM Luxury Store. I'm gonna link the website in the description also of this video, where I sell luxury bags and accessories. And obviously, I love luxury bags and accessories. This is like passion for me. This is why also I opened this YouTube channel. I have a French YouTube channel for 2 years now, and I opened this English YouTube channel from since October, I think October 2022. And yeah, because like if I speak English, more people can see the video, watch the videos, so this is why. Anyway, let's go to the Hermès unboxing. I'm very excited to show you this. For the little stories, okay, I'm gonna just open this right now. Ooh. So for the little story, I live in Barcelona. I'm French, but I live in Barcelona in Spain. And I've been to the store with my mom. She was here like a few weeks ago. She wanted to go to Hermès to see what they have in store and ask for a few things. And they didn't have anything she wanted, so it was pretty lame. Then even in the store, it was pretty empty actually, and I wanted to ask them for kind of shoes. It's the Mule Go. I will add like a photo here or here. I've seen them on the United States website first in blue and beige, and then they got out in France, and I went to the store, I asked, and my SA told me like they would not receive them in Barcelona because they did not order them. They will be only available in Madrid or in France, for example, for now. I was so sad because I really love them. I don't know what's your thoughts about them, but she was like, okay, I have something else. We just received them. This is not yet on the website and not yet in store. We have all the sizes because we just received them. I think you're gonna love it. It's kind of cheap, but all around it's like a good mixed. And I think you're gonna love it. It's like all you. I was like, I'm interested now. So she showed me 2 colors, black and gold, maroon, brown gold. And I went for, I'm gonna open now. My mom also tried, but she didn't love them. So these are shoes. And I'm excited because I already like removed everything, guys, sorry. I already tried them and stuff. These are the Empire sandal. I like the name, like Empire. This is nice. I'm gonna just remove this part. This is leather on top of it for protection, so this is nice. And we have the Empire sandal. I really love them because it's a mix between sheep sandals. We have the same sole, and this is like the Kelly finishing detail, so I love it. It makes like a more thin fit, actually. It's more, it's different from the sheep. For me, for example, the sheep doesn't suit me so much, actually. This is not very nice on me in the end. I thought I would love them, but in the end, I don't know. But yeah, I have 2 pairs of orange. I sold one of my pair of orange because they were like too small anymore. It was the gold one, so I sold them directly. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna sell them here right now because it's already sold. I sold to someone I know, but she was very interested, so sorry. Anyway, so I still have my white ones, and the size is different because since I live in Barcelona, it's a bit more hot, the weather, and so my feet are a bit more like, it's horrible. So yeah, I changed of size, so I sold them and bought this one for my birthday. There is like a kind of a big price difference, I would say. They are more expensive than the sheep, but for me they are way better. They are pretty comfy. I tried them. The only thing I would say, I would critique, maybe it's gonna be better in time when I wear them a lot. This one here hurts me a little bit. I did not wear them so far. I only tried them in store for a few minutes. And yeah, here it was like already a bit intense. So I will have to make them because it's leather, so it's gonna be okay, I think. But still, I have like a fragile feet. It's silly. Anyway, I don't know if you like these ones. I don't know if you know them. I was like, I don't know. I tried them on and I was like, yes, I love them. I'm gonna add, you probably already saw like the photo of the video where I wear these ones, but actually on the feet, it looks so nice. My mom tried them on and she didn't like them. For her, it was, I don't know, it was not the same, it was different. So she didn't love them, and I love them, guys. I don't know what are your thoughts, if you already know this one, if you have them, maybe. I saw them in the United States, they were like in suede leather khaki color. They are also amazing. The other color, I didn't love them that much. It was like, it was not the same gold as the orange one. It was like a smooth leather also, but a brown gold, but more dark. And I was not fan. I was like, no, black is perfect. It goes with everything. And it can make like a very chic effect too, if I want to wear them like at night, to be a bit chic, but with flat shoes, it can be actually very nice. So I'm excited. I don't know if you like them or not. Personally, I love them. And yeah, this is like happy birthday to me gift. And so now I'm excited because I was looking for a pair of shoes who's different from the orange, but not the strip, because they don't, in the end, they don't really suit me. So I wanted like something different. And I finally found them, so I'm very happy. I wanted also another pair of shoes. I don't remember the name of it. It's a pair of sandals. They exist in blue, yellow, and pink. And I don't remember the name. They were on my wish list on this video. I think I will try to find again the name. I don't have the name in my head right now. I will add it here if I remember. But they were I don't know if they were available because they were not on the shelves, but they are less expensive, but maybe not for now because I really loved this one, so I went for these ones. Voila, I hope you like this video. I will see you for the next video on Wednesday. Guys, don't forget, every Wednesday, okay, I need to put them correctly. Every Wednesday, I make a backdrop day video. I release like new bag and accessories, luxury bags and accessories on my website and in a video here. So stay tuned and I will see you soon. Bisous, bye bye.